Hey Mia, how's your day going? You look super caffeinated. Coffee cup?
Thanks, Alex. Yeah, I had like 3 cups of coffee. Ready to teach some awesome English words today?
Absolutely. You know, I adore learning English.
Nice use of today's first word, adore. It means to love deeply or be very fond of something.
So I can say, I adore coffee, I adore weekends, and I absolutely adore not doing laundry.
Perfect examples. In IELTS, you could say, I adore spending time with my family. It sounds warm and expressive. Okay, next word, abbreviate. It means to shorten a word or phrase.
So doctor becomes DR and street becomes ST, right?
Exactly. We abbreviate long words to make writing quicker. Try this. Can you abbreviate the word international?
Maybe INTL?
That's right. Great job. Now, IELTS tip. Don't abbreviate words in formal writing unless it's a standard one, like EG or ETC.
Got it. Abbreviate smartly, not lazily.
Exactly.
Your turn, dear listener. Can you think of 3 words you often see abbreviated? Say them aloud.
Abolish.
All right, what's next?
The word abolish. To officially end or stop something.
Oh, like the government abolished the old law.
Perfect. In TOEFL essays, you could say, many countries have abolished unfair practices to ensure equality.
I'd like to abolish homework forever.
Nice try. But no, that's one thing teachers won't abolish.
Then I'll start a movement. Abolish Homework 2025.
Good luck with that, Alex. Abandon. Now, let's talk about abandon. It means to leave behind or give up completely.
Oh, so if I say, he abandoned his car in the rain, it means he left it there.
Exactly. Or in IELTS writing, some people abandon traditional lifestyles due to modernization.
That's deep. But also, you can abandon bad habits, right?
Yes, great point. She abandoned smoking last year.
So, abolish equals stop officially. Abandon equals leave behind.
Brilliant distinction. Acknowledge. Next word, acknowledge. It means to accept, admit, or recognize something.
Like, I acknowledge my mistakes?
Exactly. Or, I acknowledge your hard work. In IELTS essays, you might say, it is important to acknowledge the impact of globalization.
So, it's a polite and intellectual way to show awareness.
Yes. And small pronunciation tip. Acknowledge. Don't say acknowledge.
Ah, that's useful. All right, listeners, can you make your own sentence with acknowledge? Acquainted with.
Now a phrase, acquainted with. It means familiar with someone or something.
Like, I'm acquainted with modern art.
Exactly. Or, I'm acquainted with the IELTS speaking format.
So, it's like saying, I know about it, but more formal.
Yes. It's great for IELTS or TOEFL writing and speaking.
Fun example. I'm acquainted with good pizza, and I adore it.
That's a tasty example.
Let's play a quick game. I'll say a sentence, and you tell me which word fits.
All right. Challenge accepted.
One day, I will... bad habits.
Abolish.
Nice. Her old car when it broke down.
Abandoned.
Perfect. I deeply, my cat.
Adore.
Yes, you're unbeatable.
Of course. I'm acquainted with victory.
Good one.
Let's recap. Today we learned abbreviate, abolish, abandon, acknowledge, acquainted with, and adore.
These words can make your English sound more natural and more academic.
Remember, don't abandon your goals. Abolish your fears. Acknowledge your progress. And always adore learning.
Beautifully said, Mia.
Thank you, Alex. Now, dear listeners, practice these words today and keep shining.
See you next time at English Café.